Africa Content TV.
Nígbà tí gbogbo Southwest State wà ń bí, ẹni tó lead gbogbo Southwest lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, àwọn ni Alhaji Musliudeen Akinsanya aka Oluomo. Up national progress. Lagos State. All members of our union Lagos State. Everybody stand up for identification and recognition. God bless you. 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 Thank you. Madam. Madam.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very, very
so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Ṣé gidi gan lọ́pọ̀ ní orí bàbá wa Alhaji Najimdeen Usman Yasin is please up national progress. He is the immediate the past president of National Union of Road Transport Workers NURTW, the past deputy president Nigeria Labour Congress NLC. He is currently running in position at the ITF Africa as the African chair and the vice president at the global level of International Transport Federation. Alhaji Najim Usman Yasin Maikaman Guzau de Bashorun Ìlú Ọ̀fà Káfàtà. Up national progress. With him on his entourage is our acting president Alhaji Aliu Isa Ore, is the former NSC chairman Kwara State, the immediate past deputy president of our union and currently running as the acting president. God bless you. Up national progress. We have here with us Alhaji Tajuddin Badru Agbede. He is the immediate past national caretaker chairman for NURTW Nigeria. So the person that brought peace into the union in Nigeria. God bless you. You are welcome, sir. Up national progress. Aluta Jaya roll. You do for me everything. Beside our Baba, though he's not, he's honorary member of NURTW, not only in Lagos but nationwide. Baba Sulu Baba Iwe, authority, Zulu authority is here. Up national progress. Ká máa gbà wá ní àkókò nítorí àkókò dúró de ẹnìkan. National leadership tó tún wà ń bí, a ní Alhaji Jango is the former national trustee of the union and is a caretaker member that brought peace to Nigeria in NURTW. Up national progress. We have the HOD in charge of finance, Madam Mrs. Adedamola Salami Oyebode. Please, I will use the contact of all the state chairmen here. The chairman Lagos, Ogun, Ekiti, Osun, Osun is absent, and Ekiti, and Ondo. So we welcome all of you. They are here with all their representatives. All Ogun State, stand up. All Ogun State, identify yourself.